You will need a valid subscription to use this feature. Log in with any of your accounts and tap Obstetrical Calculator. Adjust the number of days in each menstrual cycle. The default number is 28 days. You can calculate the fetal age by LMP, previous dating ultrasound scan, IVF, conception date and expected date of delivery. To calculate by LMP, select LMP, tap Done and enter the date of LMP. To calculate by previous dating ultrasound scan, select Previous Ultrasound and tap Done. Enter the date of previous ultrasound scan, tap Done and enter the age of fetus on that date. To calculate by IVF date, select IVF. Tap Done and enter the date of IVF. To calculate by conception date, select Conception date, tap Done and enter the date of conception. To calculate by expected date of delivery, select EDD, tap Done and enter the expected date of delivery. To find out the date for a desired fetal age, select Find Date for fetal age, tap Done. Enter today's fetal age, tap Done and select your desired fetal age and the corresponding date will be calculated instantly. To find out the number of days since any previous date or previous ultrasound scan, select Number of days since last ultrasound, tap Done and enter the date of previous ultrasound scan. That's it. Now you no longer need to use the old-fashioned OB wheels.